Newest SMD LED technology provides the highest par, lumen output, 743 UML at 1/8 inches, designed to replace a single-ended 250-watt HPS. Mars Hydro TS 1000 watts plants growing lamp makes you get 30% higher yield to compare old purple LED lights, max 2.0 grams yield per wattage, power draw. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Low energy consumption grow lighting, consuming only 150 watts with 342 LEDs. It saves up to 50% more energy than other LED grow lights. Perfect for 2.5 by 2.5 feet, max coverage 3 by 3 feet. Over 90% of light energy can be absorbed by plants. Higher intensity and more even coverage in a Mars Hydro Grow tent, reflective area, or by crossing over using multiple TS1000. Number 2. SUNLIKE Full Spectrum LED Indoor Growing, 660 to 665 nanometers red IR, 3200, 4200 kNm, 5200, 6800 kNm. Infinitely close to natural light. Best for all plants all stages growing, rapid plant response from seed to flower, and increase yield and crop quality. Number 3. High reflective and noise-free fanless LED grow system design will make your growing life easy and quiet. Quickly heat dispersing material aluminum reducing light loss to aisles and walls. Increase the light intensity up to 20%, allowing your plants to receive more energy and without burning your plants for maximum headroom. Number 4. Upgraded commercial LED grow light, easy dimming and daisy chain function, up to 15 multi-lights connected, convenient main light controlled. Auto-sensing power supply works on both 120 VAC and 240 VAC and 277 VAC, suit for large rooms and commercial setups. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Would this work outdoors on a covered deck to support not fully established plants? I live in Marin County, California, almost never go below freezing? Answer. Yes, this light can work outdoors on a covered deck. This LED panel surface and driver are waterproof, but the cord interface is not waterproof. You need to pay attention to this when you use it outdoors. Question number 2. 2 cords coming from the light, one plugged in the wall, what is the other one for? Answer. 2 cords are being used to balance the 4 corners of the light board. You can search TS1000 on YouTube for reference how to install. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.